After months of trying with the 296, we still can't get it started.
This car has been through everything. It originally crashed in Cyprus, and that's where we went to collect it. But even at that moment, we couldn't get the car started.
That touchscreen doesn't really do anything. These ain't doing anything. We've literally got no power to the car, so it's like the pyro fuse has cut everything out.
The Ferrari techs told us there that it's best to rebuild the entire car, plug it all in, and then try again.
Everything on the can has to be plugged in.
Yeah, otherwise you can't scan it.